Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. Now today we're just going to make some simple sandwiches and we'll just make it a little special for Valentine's Day. You know, strawberries are the best things to decorate your sandwiches or anything and to give it a color. Now I have a burger bun here which I have cut into two, and I have got ordinary sandwich bread which I cut into heart shape to just show you whatever type you want you can make it. Okay, so now we have to make the sandwich filling. So for that I'm going to use some cream cheese. Now see, this is the cream cheese. I bought it from the store. It's easily available on, Big Basket. I got it from there. You can use any of your choice. Now just put in some cream cheese. It has a very nice flavor, It's got a very nice soft sort of a flavor. You don't have to add anything to it. No salt, nothing to it. Just mix it a little to give it a little color. I will add a little chili flakes, some mixed herbs and some spring onion to give it a little crunch. Just mix it nicely. Now the cream cheese should be removed from the refrigerator at least 1 to 2 hours before. I did it because otherwise it is a little, hard and mixing becomes a little difficult. I will add a little pepper to it, to your taste. There's no need of salt, because there is salt in it already. Now we just have to apply it. This will not take effort. You can do it in the morning. It's very easily done. Just apply it nicely and uniformly. It's done. Cover your bun. Now this is your heart shape sandwich if you want to make some of those. Spread it evenly. Put the other part on it. Well, and since it is for your special day, you put your strawberry, your hearts on it, and your special day breakfast is ready. Bye friends, and do subscribe to our channel. It helps us, it encourages us a lot. And do give us your comments, what you want and what you like. Thank you. Bye for now.